Hey guys, I'm back and today I'm going to be doing the second update to my Wheel of Lippies roulette style project pan. If you missed my intro and my first update, I will have a playlist with all of my updates so far linked down below so that you can get all caught up. I love binging a good project pan one after the other. And if you are not new here and you're ready to see what I've hit my goal on, let's hop straight into this video. So I'm going to start by going over the products that I had rolled in, talk about what I hit my goal on, whether I'm going to keep, declutter, or maybe pile them, and then we can roll in some new products. So starting with the products that I didn't reach my goal on last month, like I didn't reach my goal on and I rolled them in at the introduction. So first we have this Buxom full-on lip polish in the shade Claire. This is beautiful. I really do like this lipstick. And I did hit my goal. My goal was to hit 8 total uses. I did 5 in the month of January. I did 3 more in the month of February. And now I can roll this out. This is a really beautiful, sparkly gloss. I really like it. But if a friend looked at it and went, oh, can I have that? I'd probably give it to them. So I put it in the unsure category so that I can see if any of my friends specifically are looking for a gloss like this, because it's really pretty, but I don't tend to reach for sparkly glosses as much as I reach for glossy, just sheer, no glitter glosses. So that's why I put it in the unsure category. Then the next one is this Smashbox lipstick, Be Legendary lipstick in the shade Publicist. I had a goal of 6 uses. I'd used it once in January. I used it 5 more times in February, and now I've hit my total goal of 6 uses. This is a beautiful, beautiful lipstick. I really like this color, and I'm gonna be honest, I've had 3 of these bright fuchsias rolled in. And if I was going to reach for any one of them, I would probably reach for this Miss Argentina, yes, from Kat Von D. This is an old, discontinued shade, unfortunately, but this is my favorite of these 3. So I put this as unsure so that I can kind of reassess at the end of this project how many bright pinks I have, because if I've got a bunch, I don't need this one, but I do like it. So that's why I listed this one as unsure as well. Then my next product that was from January is this Kat Von D Miss Argentina. My goal was 10 total times. I had used it 3 times in January. I used it 7 more times this past month. I love this and I'm definitely keeping it. And here, let me do a little swatch. This is something that I don't know if I would ever want to pan it, just because I feel like you can kind of take a lipstick that you love and then end up hating it by the time you're done, especially if it's a full-size liquid lipstick. But I do love this color and I had no problem reaching for it 7 times this past month. My next product is my Italia Deluxe lip liner in the shade Brown. Another good one. I had used it 4 times. I needed to use it total 6 times. So I used it 2 more times in February, and this is what it looks like. Easy to wear shade. It goes well with any nude lipstick. I've worn it with the lipstick I'm wearing now and it looks great. I've used it with lighter nudes to deepen them up a little bit. I've used it on its own with a gloss. Beautiful, beautiful lipstick. Now we're moving into the products that I rolled in at my last update. We have Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Lip Shine in the shade Bright Poppy. I did not reach for this at all. I need to reach for it 3 times in the upcoming month. I just had a lot of lip products and most of the eyeshadows that I'm panning right now are more cool toned, so I didn't reach for this. The same fate reached my KVD Beauty Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Lolita 2. I like both of these. I just was wearing so many cool tones. If you want to see my Pan Those Eyeshadows update, which will be going up on Thursday, you'll see what I mean. But I like both of these. I need 3 uses on both of these. I just didn't get around to it this month. My next lipstick is NARS I think it's the Audacious lipstick in the shade Damage. This is a beautiful shade. Oh, here, let me swatch The two previous ones, what am I doing? The Neutrogena gloss right there, definitely orange. And then here is Lolita 2, also quite warm compared to the other shades that I had going on this past month, but still beautiful. Then we have NARS Damage. I needed to use this 6 times and I used it all 6 times. This was surprisingly easy to reach for. I feel like I don't reach for it a lot. I definitely think this is one of my least used lipsticks, but I found it surprisingly easy to reach for. It's quite purpley, but once it's on the lips, it kind of mixes with the natural color of my lips and looks really natural and glossy, so it was definitely very beautiful. And then I also rolled in NARS Pigale, P-I-G-A-L-L-E. I don't speak French. And this one was, I already considered this to be one of my favorite lipsticks, so rolling it in made me very happy. I needed to use it 6 times. I did use it 6 times, and that was super easy. It's what I'm wearing on my lips today. This was my 6th use, and I'm excited to keep both of these. I didn't explicitly say it, but I'm also keeping the lip liner. I think you could tell by how beautiful I said it was. Then the next product was this Bare Minerals Gen Nude Liquid Lipstick in the shade Boss. I love this color. I needed to use it 7 times and I used it 6 times, and it is really pretty. This is one where I'm not sure if this past month if I did a great job of keeping track of my numbers, since I just was wearing makeup every single day for this challenge that I'm doing over on Instagram. I'll link it down below. So maybe I did wear this 7 times, but I figured one more use, I have no problem doing that. So I'm going to keep it in for 1 more month, get that last use. And it is a stunning shade on the lips. It looks so flattering, at least for me and what I like from lipsticks. And then the last product is my Buxom Plump Line Lip Liner in the shade Scandalous. Also a great lip product. This I was wearing as a lip liner with the Miss Argentina Kat Von D shade. It worked really well for that. I needed to use it 5 times. I used it 5 times and I'm going to keep it. It's really handy to have a lip liner to go with these brighter shades, even though it's not the exact same tone when I need to clean things up, because I do find a liquid lipstick to be the hardest to get precise, and when I'm using a bright lip color like this, I want it to be precise. So that means I have 3 products that are rolling over into March, and I need to roll in 7 more products. I have hit my goal on both of my hand selected products, so I am going to roll 4 random lipsticks or lip products, and then I'm going to hand select 2. I'll come back and sit down once I have them and assign number uses to each one. Y'all know the drill. I think that worked well for last time as far as structure. So right now I have 120 lipsticks or lip products in my collection that are eligible to be rolled in. So I am going to randomly generate between 1 and 120. Let's do, I'm gonna pull 6 shades, but I'll take the first 4 just because sometimes it gives me doubles or something that's already rolled in. We have 59, 68, 33, and 48. So that is 33 is Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. 48 is Luna Magic in Park Avenue Medium. 59 is Pure About Last Night. 68 is NARS Burning Love Liquid Lipstick. So I'm going to go grab those 4, hand select 2 items, and I will be right back to assign usage goals to each lip product. So I can do math. I was supposed to pull 5 numbers, so the next number that I pulled after 48 was 57, which is Milani Plum Rose. Now I will be right back. Okay, so I have pulled all of the lipsticks. I am just going to quickly show swatches, and I've pulled the number of times only to use each of them. So going in order, we have Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick. That's right there, and I have to use this 9 times. Then next we have Luna Magic Park Avenue in the shade Medium. That is this one. It's that kind of orangey one right there, and I have to use this 3 times to hit my goal. Pure About Last Night, which is this beautiful deep purple shade right here. It's almost black. I've used this 5 times, which is probably going to be the most difficult one in this grouping. Then we have NARS Burning Love, which is this beautiful, vibrant, bright fuchsia, but it's more of like a lip stain than a liquid lipstick. And I have to use this one 7 times. Then the last shade that I randomly generated is Milani Plum Rose, and I have to use this 3 times in order to hit my goal. Then I went through my products and I picked 2 shades. One is a gloss, and this is Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade 5 Petal. I haven't used this very much, so I wanted to become acquainted with it. And also, the only other gloss that I have in this group is this Neutrogena one, so I thought a neutral pink gloss would be a good addition. And I have to use this 7 times in order to hit my goal. My last product, I wanted to roll in a lip liner, and then I was trying to get one that would work with a lot of shades. So that's Maybelline Petal, that's Milani Plum Rose, and then this is this Dior lip liner in the shade Brown Fig. And so this I think can go with both of these lipsticks, probably any of these and the gloss, and I have to use this 7 times. So that is everything that I have for you guys today. I am excited and a little nervous about this upcoming month. I wore makeup every single day in February and I still didn't hit my goal on all 10 lip products. So I'm hoping I can use products together a lot in order to hit my goal on things, especially like using a gloss and a lipstick, or my lip liner and a lipstick or something like that. And most of all, I am excited to play with some of these products that I haven't touched in a while. So that is everything that I have for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you're having an incredible, awesome day wherever you are, and that I get to see you in a future video. Thanks, guys.